I'm mad at you right now. I'm fucking drunk.
Hey, let's go get fruit punch.
No.
You want to go walk it up?
No. I'm mad my tolerance went down. Fucking drunk.
Shh, everyone's gonna hear you. All right, let's go get fruit punch.
No.
You want to go home or not?
If I throw up, guide me into a fucking can.
Throw you into the trash can?
No, just guide me.
Guide you to a can.
Yes.
So let's go walk it up.
No.
I mean, I don't want you to throw up in the car.
You're not gonna throw up. Let's go get. We're gonna get water. We're gonna get water.
I want to sleep. Fuck you guys. I'm mad I got drunk tonight.